What is the deal? This is your man Frank Dutch right here. I'm back at y'all with another video, man. And listen, y'all already seen the title of the video. I ain't gonna take y'all time. Let's get to it. So I'm gonna start off with what I feel is one of the most important things. You actually have to be good at what you're doing, whether that be rapping, singing, poetry, or whatever that you're doing on the microphone or in your recording. You actually have to be good at that. If you're a motivational speaker, you better be motivating. Another thing you want to consider, man, is make sure the phantom power is turned on and the mic is connected. And this seems obvious, but you'd be surprised at how many times this has people cursing at the computer. They might even have the phantom power turned on, but they still not getting no sound. And they look over at the mic and it's not plugged in or it's not patched in. You're going crazy. You done wasted 10 minutes trying to figure out what's going on. And that brings me to this right here. Do a mic check. And this is a very important step, man. This not only helps with setting your gain levels, but it also helps with training your ears to know what you're even listening for in your space. Another thing to consider, man, people tend to overlook this a lot, but it's a major thing, and that's practicing good gain structure. Now, listen, distortion does not sound good, especially digital distortion. That is never good. I mean, well, unless you did it on purpose. I found it best to use a clip gain to turn the beat down a little bit. This way you can better gauge where your mic level is sitting. This is generally where you want your meters on your DAW to sit. Now, I need you to understand this very important piece right here. If you pull nothing else from this, understand that the mixing process starts in the recording process. All right, last but not least, man, mic placement. Now, during the mic check process, you may have noticed some things that you haven't noticed before. For an example, you might have noticed that you can hear the air conditioner because the mic is right under the air vent. Or maybe that smoke alarm that you got in your house or apartment or whatever, they need a new battery because it's beeping. You hear it. Where the mic is placed can also affect how the vocal is going to sound too, man. So to practice this, try moving the mic around in different areas of the room or in the booth and listen for where it sounds best for what and or who you're recording. Yes, sir. I hope this video helped y'all, man. Thank y'all for watching. I am Frank Dutch. Y'all be cool how y'all be cool, man. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Ring that bell so you can stay up, man. Y'all already know what to do, man. Peace.